Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, in highlights, we have Nano Dimensions, everybody's favorite company, and ARK Invest added 500,000 shares more for Nano Dimension today. Stay with me to find out in which ETF, and other than that, we'll go over the biggest moves and also keep an eye on various trends of ARK's data. So stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks. Hi, friends. Welcome back. In our summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers. Market value is at 44.71 billion today, which is 0.6% up from yesterday. It's a net positive, even though it is a small percentage, but net positive is net positive, so that's good news. And that 44.71 billion is divided into 8 ETFs in this fashion. And then total number of companies they are invested in stays at 285 today. Same as yesterday. As you can see, in past there were more, and in yesterday's episode, which was the weekly update from past week, I showed exactly what all companies were reduced more recently. So it remains at 285. These are the number of companies that are present in each of the ETFs. Some companies present in more than one, obviously, and that's our summary. Let's go to the biggest move section quickly. In biggest move section, our threshold today is 4%. So any company to which the shares were added more than 4% or removed more than 4% will show up here. These are the companies that follow that criteria, that fit that criteria, and this is their ranking in 285 companies for all the funds combined. Now I'll hover over each one of these so you can see more details. Atlas Crest topping the charts there, 21% extra shares added. As you can see, the trend of shares and stock price remains at $10, looks like, present in 2 ETFs, making a difference of $8.5 million there. Genius Sports, 21% extra shares added there. Dynamics special purpose SPAC company, it's 12% extra shares added there. Pfizer, 8% extra, continue to buy more and more and more. Peloton Interactive, 7% extra shares added. Pinduoduo, 5%, and Signify Health, 4% extra shares added. In terms of negatives, we have Alibaba 78% removed, Series 32% removed, Zongan 12% removed, Alphabet 11%, NXP Semiconductors 5%, Roche Holdings 5%, Intuitive Surgical 5%, and Yeheka 4% removed. So some of these remain same as last week. They continue to reduce a lot of these companies, especially the ones that are in China market, Chinese companies basically. In terms of biggest moves by market value, let's remove this to change this to 0. So these are all the companies, and then increase the market value difference to say, okay, $18. $18 million. Let's keep it that way. Just want to see the companies whose market value changed, even though there was no trading done, right? So all these are 0% changes in the stock. As you can see, there's hardly any change in the stock, almost 0% in all of them. But there is big change in market value. Tesla being the top most, present in 3 ETFs. Just because stock price moved, this market value changed. Hardly any shares movement, 0%. Iridium, same story there. The stock popping up quite a bit today. Unity Software, again, stock going up. You have Spotify, 10x Genomics, Teladoc, Berkeley Lights, Zoom, Video Communications, Square, Coinbase. And in the negatives, we have Too Simple, Intelia, Zillow, CRISPR, Robinhood, and Editas Medicine. So these are the biggest moves. We look at it 2 ways every day, based on number of shares movement and also market value. Let's go take a look at ARK overall portfolio. This is how the overall portfolio looks, diff from Friday to today. Very more green than red. So Tesla being the greenest green, and Too Simple being the reddest red. Intelia as well. Iridium is green too. So let's go to new and remove companies. No new or remove companies today, and let's jump over to the watch list. So as you know, we do a diff from the previous trading day and find out how much shares changed. So it looks like Nano Dimension changed by 2.9%, which is 513,000 shares added. So this costed about $4.2 million. As you can see, the stock price going up to $6, and and they have bought a lot more. So Nano Dimension is a company which does something unique. It's a 3D printing company, especially for the chips and circuit boards manufacturing, and it's something which is a niche within a niche, and very healthy balance sheet this company has. They have acquired 2 companies. We are waiting for a third acquisition where they can acquire a company where that has a lot of clients, and they can replace this old method of sending the design to China and getting the prototypes done by their new method of 3D printing in-house, and keep the design confidential as well that way. So hopefully they do another acquisition. They have a very healthy balance sheet. They raised a lot of money. The stock went all the way to $18, I think, in past, and then went all the way back as well. So hopefully it picks up in future. I'm bullish on it. I'm also invested in 3 out of these 4 actually. The rest of them just more like an adjustment, 0.1% reduction in all the 3. But let's click on Nano Dimension and dive into where was it added actually, which ETF was it added to. So let's break it by ETF, and we'll find out. Okay, so it looks like it was added in ARKQ. So you have ARKW had the maximum position for Nano Dimension in past, but looks like now ARKQ took over. Yep, we have Nano Dimension selected, and then you have Print constant, and IZRL is also constant. It's Q in which they have added more. So now ARKQ is the #1 ETF for Nano Dimension. This is the market value trend for these ETFs for Nano Dimension. So that's that. Let me quickly increase the date range, and you'll see since January, if I combine it, all the ETFs, you'll see all the way from 11.3 million. By the way, they added this last year, but I started collecting data just this year, January sometime this year. But they've been adding this company to their portfolio, very bullish on it, like crazy since last year when it was a penny stock. It's back into penny stock range, by the way, but they still have a lot of confidence in it. They keep buying. Look at those vertical lines going up, number of shares going up, and they continue to buy more and more. This is today's buy. Market value obviously taken a big hit because the stock price went down, but hopefully it picks back up. So that's that, guys. And this was your daily dose, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.